Hey loves, it's Anel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 50 random facts about me that you guys probably don't know or want to know or assume about me. So before we continue on to the video, I want to invite you guys to subscribe down below and also to click on that little ring bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Fact number 1, I was born in Mexico City. So I didn't come into the United States until I was, I want to say 5 or 6 years old. Fact number 2, I am only 5 feet and 1 inches tall. I think I got the short genes from my dad's side of the family. I know my mom's side has taller siblings, so definitely I think from my dad's side. Fact number 3, my nickname is Mini. I don't know why and how I got that nickname, but my family calls me Mini. Number 4, my first name is not Anel, as many of you have heard on my introductions. My first name is Fanny, my middle name is Anel, and I go by Miss Anel Beauty here on YouTube. Fact number 5, I bought this house where I live in when I was 22. Fact number 6 is that I have 2 beautiful and adorable fur babies. Fact number 7, I actually married my childhood crush. I met Rocky when we were little and we just happened to reconnect again as adults. I fell in love with him. Fact number 8 is that I love and live and die for chilaquiles and enchiladas. That is my favorite go-to food. I'm just obsessed. Number 9 is that I love cheese. I love Gouda cheese, goat cheese, Parmesan, mozzarella, queso fresco, queso chihuahua. Any type of cheese, I will eat it. Fact numero 10 is that I am bilingual. I speak English and I speak Espanol. And my favorite color of all time is nude. I love the neutral skin tone vibe, and I feel like nude matches with anything. So if you have a pair of nude heels, you can pair them up with multiple outfits, nude pants, nude tops, nude lips, anything. Fact number 12 is that I don't know how to swim. I don't think I'll ever learn. I'm not interested in learning. I just don't know how to swim. Number 13 is that I once had a really bad perm on my hair, and it was the most horrible experience of my life. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. Fact number 14 is that I once played a munchkin in my high school's play of The Wizard of Oz. Number 15 is that I upgraded to Patty Simcox from Grease, and I played her character and it was so much fun. I loved it. Number 16, and all my friends can testify to this, I am the worst person to text back. Don't text me, call me, because if you text me, most likely I'll forget to reply back. Fact number 17 is that my biggest fear in life is dying. I know it's about to happen, but it's just terrifying. Fact number 18 is that I hate mushrooms. I can't stand them, I can't eat them, I can't smell them. Don't bring them near me. Fact number 19, when I was 5 years old, I almost drowned in Mexico. I think that's why I have a phobia of learning how to swim. It's just so terrifying thinking that I went through something like that. Fact number 20, if you guys didn't know, makeup is my absolute happiest place. I love playing with makeup. It's so soothing and therapeutic for me, and I don't think that will ever change. Number 21 is that music is my second happy place. I love all kinds of music, except metal. That's a little too harsh. But I love music. Fact number 22 is that I love singing. I love blessing people with my beautiful vocals, but I suck. I can't sing for crap. But I still love it. I enjoy it. I know Rocky has heard me sing in the car so many times. In the shower, I love singing. Fact number 23 is that my woman crush or celebrity crush is Priyanka Chopra. I I'm obsessed with that woman. She's gorgeous. Number 24 is that I am the favorite sibling. I'm just kidding, guys. Fact 24 is that I am the baby of my siblings. I have 2 older sisters that I love so very much. Fact number 25 is that once I weighed 110 pounds. I don't know how that's even possible, but I'm pretty sure that was a very unhealthy weight. I looked sick. Number 26 is that my favorite food is not fruit. My favorite fruit is mangoes. I love eating them with sal, limon, tajin. So good. Numero 27. I am actually a lefty. I am left-handed. I tried practicing my right handwriting. When I was little, I would get so mad and so frustrated because I wanted to be right-handed, but never happened. Number 28 is that I am the most distracted and worst driver in history. Don't ever trust me to drive, especially for long distances. I will get anxiety, I will get moody, I will get crabby. I just hate driving. Fact 29 is that I am a 90s baby and I absolutely love it. Number 30 is that I am a fan of Bidi Bidi Boom Boom. I love Selena. I love her movie, her history. I've read books about Selena and I love the music and the moves, of course. Fact number 31 is that movies make me cry. I am such a little baby when it comes to movies, but I absolutely love watching happy endings and just sentimental movies overall. What can I say? I'm a girl. Speaking of movies, I know it's not movie related, but I watched all seasons of The Office. I was obsessed with that show. I'm obsessed. I love it, and I love you, Michael Scott. Fact number 33 is that my favorite season is fall because it's my birthday and because I just love crunchy leaves and boots and scarves and pumpkin spice candles. Number 34 is that my favorite holiday is Christmas. I absolutely love spending time with family, drinking coquito, eating tamales, you know, just enjoying the good times. Fact number 35 is that I would rather go to sleep early times 100 and wake up early than go to sleep late and wake up late. I just feel like I make the most out of my day when I wake up early, including on weekends. Fact number 36 is that I could finish a whole bottle of Prosecco or champagne all to myself. Give it to me. Fact number 37 is actually very personal. I dream of adopting a baby in the future. It's just been something that I wanted ever since I was little, and I feel like adoption is beautiful and no one really talks about it, but it could be a beautiful thing, and that is one of my biggest dreams in life. Fact number 38 is coffee over tea anytime. Don't get me wrong, I love my chai lattes, but coffee just makes me happy, you know? Number 39. One of my other dreams in life is to move somewhere warm, like, I don't know, Phoenix, Arizona. I absolutely love it. I envision Rocky and I living there. Fact number 40 is that I've had people confuse me plenty of times for Filipino, but no, I am Latina, I am Mexican, and I love being Mexican. Fact number 41 is that I actually dye my hair at home. I actually dyed it black a couple of weeks ago and it turned out blue. So I went black. Black, black, black. Number 42 is that I am a Libra. I love being a Libra. I just think it's the best sign ever. Just throwing it out there. God bless Rocky for fact number 43, but I snore a lot. Fact number 44 is that my first high-end product I purchased with my own money ever in life was the Urban Decay Naked Palette, the original one. I love it. I still have it. I don't think I could use it anymore because I'm sure it's hella expired, but that was my first baby that I treasured with my whole heart. Number 45 is that I've had my lip pierced. You can still see the scar right here. It's so ugly. I don't recommend it to anyone. Fact number 46 is that I've actually had my nose pierced a couple of times on my left side, which hurt like so bad. Fact 47 is that I have 3 tattoos and I'm currently planning on getting a few more. I just love tattoos. I love how they look. This is the most recent one and I absolutely love it. Number 48 is that I cannot go to sleep without my retainers. Fact number 49 is that I hate being home alone. I just get so terrified. I start making up weird noises in my head like right now. So yeah, I hate being home alone. Number 50 is that I've gotten fillers on my face. Alright guys, that concludes my 50 random facts about me. I hope you got a chance to know and learn a little bit more about your girl Anel. Thank you for watching and tuning into my video, and I will see you guys very soon on the next one.